Right now, the channel Zack D Films is growing insanely fast. It's gotten so big that people are even comparing it to Mr. Beast. And lately, a lot of creators have been trying to copy this style of shorts and pull in millions of views. But the truth is, almost nobody can make them as perfectly as Zack D Films. Because behind those videos, there's an entire production team, and just one video can cost thousands of dollars to make. Now, obviously, most creators can't afford that. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create videos just like Zack D Films, completely for free. But before we start, I made a quick demo video first, so check this out.
When all the bugs in your gut die at once, you feel fine for a bit. Then food stops being food. Your body can't break down key parts of what you eat, so gas builds and your gut swells. That means less fuel gets made and your gut wall starts to fail. But the real fear comes next. Germs that should stay in your gut can leak into your blood. Now your own gut turns on you from the inside, like a wound that never leaves your body.
So without wasting any time, let's get started. To make videos like these, first open ChatGPT and paste this master prompt right here. And don't worry, you'll find the master prompt in the description below. Now hit run, and ChatGPT will generate 10 different video ideas for you. From there, just pick the one you like the most. Next, go back to the document again, copy prompt 2, and paste it here. Now take the idea you selected and paste it right here. For example, I'm going to use idea number 1. Now hit run, and ChatGPT will generate the full script for that idea. Alright, now it's time to create the images. So once again, go back to the document, copy prompt 3, paste it here, and also paste the script. Now hit run. ChatGPT will generate image prompts and motion prompts for every single scene. Now let's generate the images. Head over to Gemini, copy the image prompt from ChatGPT, paste it here, and hit run. Within a few seconds, Gemini will generate the image for you. Now just download it, and repeat the same process to generate and download all the remaining images. Alright, now it's time to turn those images into motion. From this point on, I'll show you the process on my phone. So let's switch over. Now once you're on the Flow website, select your first image. Then head back to ChatGPT, copy the motion prompt for image 1. Return to Flow, paste the prompt, and hit run. Within a few seconds, your video clip will be ready. Now just repeat the same process for all the remaining images. Alright, now it's time to turn the script into voiceover audio. For that, go to the 11 Labs website. Select any calm voice you like, paste your script, and within a few seconds, 11 Labs will generate the voice for you. Now all that's left to do is import everything into your editing software. Align the clips with the voiceover, add captions, and export the final video. And yeah, you already saw the final result at the beginning, so I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. And before you leave, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next viral video idea. And again, you'll find the master prompt in the description below. Alright, see you in the next video.